As a restaurant owner, you may find that most of your time is spent on administrative tasks. Amid all the decision-making and worry, the industry adds more burden as the landscape gets more competitive, with restaurants continuously innovating and customers' needs constantly evolving that it leaves you breathless. Catch your breath and stay on top of your business with Menu Tiger. Menu Tiger is an interactive restaurant menu QR code software that provides a blueprint for digitizing your menu. Now, you can easily shift from conventional cardstock to a more advanced digital menu system with its user-friendly and easy-to-follow interface. Not only that, but it also uses QR code technology, which makes it easier to bridge the gap between your POTS and your patrons. Don't worry, we won't be asking for a share of your commissions. What will you get when you choose Menu Tiger? 1. A branded digital menu that you can modify in real time. 2. A user-friendly online ordering page. This means no more app download for your customers. 3. A sales and store revenue analytics dashboard that you can consult when planning out changes. 4. A flexible operations system that accommodates multiple locations. 5. A customizable QR code option to reinforce your brand identity. 6. Ability to translate your digital menu to different languages. 7. Functions for upselling and promotions to increase sales. 8. A more organized ordering system with useful integrations. 'All at an affordable cost, you'll have a 5-in-1 staff member plus a trusted partner in scaling up your business without breaking a sweat. Put your business shoes on and take your steps towards successful digitalization with Menu Tiger. Visit us at menu.qrcode-tiger.com and start your free trial today.